Ana de Armas, the luminous Cuban Spanish actress whose rise from Havana to Hollywood stardom has been nothing short of inspiring, approaches food with the same grace and mindfulness she brings to her roles. For Ana, Nourishment is not a rigid rulebook, but a balanced dialogue with her body, one that honors wellness and enjoyment alike. She has often shared that food, to her, is fuel and comfort intertwined, a way to sustain the energy demands of acting while connecting to her heritage and personal happiness. In interviews, Ana emphasizes listening to her body's needs over strict diets, underscoring a flexible approach that embraces moderation rather than extremes. Like many in the spotlight, Ana has experimented with various eating regimens over the years, each offering lessons on what best supports her physically and emotionally. Early in her career, adapting to Hollywood's pace, she flirted with detoxes and cleanses popular in wellness circles, but soon realized these quick fixes weren't sustainable. Instead, Ana gravitated towards diets emphasizing whole foods and natural ingredients, inspired by her Mediterranean roots and Cuban upbringing. She credits this blend of cultural wisdom and modern nutrition for helping her find balance, avoiding the pitfalls of fad diets while maintaining vitality. Ana's experiences reflect a journey of trial and error, ultimately leading her to trust simplicity and quality over gimmicks. Today, Ana de Armas's daily eating routine exemplifies a harmonious blend of nutritious staples and mindful indulgences. Her mornings typically start with a nourishing smoothie, often combining fresh fruits, spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder, fueling her workouts and long days on set. Breakfast might also include oatmeal topped with nuts and berries, rich in antioxidants and slow-release energy. Lunch usually features lean proteins such as grilled chicken or fish, accompanied by vibrant salads dressed in olive oil and lemon, a nod to her Mediterranean influences. She incorporates plenty of vegetables, appreciating their role in skin health and digestion. Snacks are simple yet satisfying: nuts, fresh fruit, or a small serving of dark chocolate, providing antioxidants and a mood boost. Dinner tends to be light but flavorful. Ana favors dishes rich in healthy fats and plant-based ingredients, such as avocado, quinoa, or roasted vegetables, supporting overnight repair and maintaining her glowing complexion. Hydration is paramount. She drinks ample water throughout the day, often infused with lemon or cucumber, and occasionally enjoys green tea for its antioxidant properties. Supplements, when used, are minimal and targeted: vitamin D, omega-3s, and probiotics, reflecting a preference for natural nutrition over synthetic additives. When preparing for demanding roles, Ana's diet adapts with precision, guided by nutritionists and trainers, but always rooted in her food philosophy. For action-packed films or intense shooting schedules, she increases protein intake to support muscle recovery, incorporating eggs, lean meats, and plant-based proteins like chickpeas and lentils. Meal timing becomes more structured, often spacing out 5 to 6 smaller meals to sustain energy and avoid sluggishness during long shoots. Caloric intake fluctuates depending on her role's physical demands, sometimes creating a mild caloric deficit to maintain a lean frame, other times focusing on replenishment. Ana also pays close attention to gut health during these periods, including fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, which help maintain digestion and immunity, a vital component when filming abroad or under stressful conditions. In interviews, she has mentioned that maintaining mental clarity and emotional well-being is just as crucial as physical conditioning, so her diet always complements her holistic wellness routine, which includes meditation and adequate rest. Despite her disciplined approach, Ana de Armas is unapologetically indulgent when it comes to comfort foods, a balance she champions as essential for a healthy relationship with eating. Growing up in Cuba, she fondly recalls dishes like ropa vieja, shredded beef stew, and fried plantains, meals that evoke family warmth and tradition. Her cheat meals, often shared in candid moments with friends or on social media, include these nostalgic favorites and occasionally international delights like pasta carbonara or a rich chocolate dessert. She believes that enjoying these foods guilt-free nurtures not just the body, but the soul. Ana has said, "Food should be joyful. When you love what you eat, it shows, not just in your body, but in your spirit." This philosophy allows her to stay grounded and prevents the deprivation cycle many face in dieting. Among Ana's distinctive nutrition habits is her ritual of starting each day with mindfulness around food, whether that means savoring her morning smoothie in quiet reflection or preparing meals herself when possible, ensuring a connection to what she consumes. She also practices intermittent fasting occasionally, usually a 12 to 14-hour fast overnight, which she finds aids digestion and focus. This practice, however, is flexible rather than dogmatic, adapted to her schedule and energy needs. Another notable ritual is her preference for cooking simple meals at home with friends or family, turning nourishment into a social and creative experience rather than a chore. She values organic ingredients and often chooses local produce, a nod to sustainability and quality. Ana de Armas' journey with food mirrors her evolution as an artist and individual. From the early days of chasing quick fixes to embracing a mindful, balanced lifestyle, she now views nutrition as a lifelong practice of self-care and respect. She encourages fans to move beyond diet trends and focus on listening to their bodies, cultivating a positive body image, and finding joy in nourishment. It's about feeling good in your skin and honoring your body's unique needs, she shared in a recent interview. Her story is a testament to the power of balance and authenticity, showing that true wellness stems from kindness to oneself, curiosity about food, and the freedom to enjoy life's flavors fully.